Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 8.0 double-D special head unit for Mercedes-Benz. Okay, here is the box. Let me unbox review. You can check head unit with good condition. This is head unit. Let me introduce harness first. Okay, you can check this special harness from Mercedes-Benz. You can check this combust decoder. Okay, this is AUX input. Okay, this connect our head unit back of head unit. This is special head unit, special connector for your car. You can check. Here is a different power cable. Here connect combust box. This come with two harness. You can check only the different pins. You can check pin is different, and also here and here. The two cable come with head unit, okay. And it come with remote controller because head unit come with DVD player and external microphone. Two USB. Okay, this is external microphone. I set up. Okay, come with radio antenna. Okay, camera inputs. Setup. Okay, this is AUX cable. This audio cable is subwoofer. Okay, and video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, this is audio cable. Okay, and come with GPS antenna. Okay, let me show the head unit. This driver agent. Okay, this is the header unit. You can check this front panel and the side. Okay, you can check this side. And please note, these two screws you need to take out before install. Okay, you can check here is GPS antenna, it's fuse connector, this is connector radio port, Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, you can check the front panel. Okay, let me power on header unit with 12 voltage. The header unit will be started. Please okay, this is the UI interface. Please take out this screw protector before using. And let me check this microphone, this DVD slot, this volume control, SD card, this SD card, home and back button. Okay, it's built in Android 8.0, very fast response. You can install application from OEM, install wallpaper. It's built in the Google Play Store. Okay, already installed. You can already built in Google Play Store. You can install any application from it. Let me check the settings. You can check mode is PX5 octa-core and Android version is 8.0 OS system. Okay, we're back to home. Okay, that's all. Thank you.